I'm Jonathan. That over there is Chris Moore, racer extraordinaire. I am sitting in a 911 Porsche Turbo S, and Chris is sitting on a Kawasaki Ninja H2 R, and this is Edmunds U-Drags.
You asked for it, well you got it. We're back again with Chris Moore riding a 2017 Kawasaki Ninja H2 R with 305 horsepower and 121.5 pound-feet of torque. Going up against a 2022 Porsche 911 Turbo S with 640 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. These two are going head-to-head on our Edmunds U-Drag track, which starts with the quarter-mile drag, then they hit the brakes, do a 180, and power back to start-finish. At the end of the first run, we'll swap lanes and do it again. We're gonna skip the driver swap this time. If I told you we already did this race with an NSX, then would you like and subscribe? Oh, and do you want an instant cash offer on your car? Then head on over to edmunds.com/sellmycar.
911 Turbo S. This is the creme de la creme of the Porsche road cars. It's not a GT car, but man, does it have the power, and man, does it go fast. Sitting next to that, Kawasaki H2 R, which is not even street legal, by the way. This is certainly gonna have its work cut out for it. So how am I gonna launch this thing? I'm gonna put it in Sport Plus mode, and then you gotta turn ESC to Sport. You hear the chime, and that's gonna activate launch control. Chris's bike, I think, is gonna be a handful. That thing makes 300 plus horsepower. It weighs nothing in relation to this, and that's all manual. It's like slipping the clutch, all that stuff. All I have to do is activate launch control correctly, and it's gonna do all the work for me. I really don't know how this is gonna turn out. I'm excited.
We're getting ready to face off against this Porsche 911 Turbo S. 200 and, I don't know, maybe 230? $230,000 car, something like that. She's expensive, boys. A little pricey. We got the H2R. Let's see what we can do. Dude, this thing does not like to launch when the clutch is cold. It's like it has to get a little heat in it to get moving. We got to get this launch right. That 911 is fast. All-wheel drive twin turbo. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Round one with the Porsche. Time to shake and bake.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There we go! Holy crap! This is so fast! Oh my God! Can't believe we're doing this right now. Come on, Porsche.
Reset, baby. Reset, reset. We gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go.
Come on, you got it! Go, 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 go! Here he comes!
Ah! He killed us!
Oh my God, that was crazy. Well, Chris, that was probably one of the craziest races I've had. I mean, that thing is scary fast. I certainly got the jump off the line, but it wasn't very soon till you were just like hauling past me. That thing is crazy powerful.
Yeah, may or may not have had a little too much power that fast. I could not get stopped. I was literally skidding front and back tires. I'm like, man, anymore, we're gonna pancake this bad boy.
I mean, dude, you left everything on the line. I broke a little late too. I was getting a little bit squirrely, but I have 4 tires to help me stop, and you only have 2. Well, really, one that's doing all the work.
Yeah, I was like, I definitely don't feel like I can dance any better than this. I'm like, I was all over the place trying to stop this thing, and I was definitely coming in way too hot. I definitely got to get on my brakes a little sooner. I just didn't feel comfortable with my hand position, By the time I changed position and got my body reset, it was too late. You were gone. We gotta do another rerun, dude. I gotta do better than that. I feel like this race was supposed to have been closer than what the results just showed.
Well, I'm totally down for that, man. Let's swap lanes and get reset and let's do it.
You better not have your air-conditioned seats on over there.
I'll turn them off now.
Make me feel better at least.
Second race. I think we saw that the Porsche has what it takes to pull out a pretty decisive win over that crazy beast of a thing. So now it's just making sure that he doesn't find some secret sauce and come back and discover that, oh yeah, you can brake way later or way sooner and stuff. So anyways, I think it's the Porsche's race to lose. It's certainly got the speed off the line. I've got a ton of braking grip, great cornering. It just has everything that you would want in a sports car. And on top of that, it's just so easy to drive. So anyways, I'm not gonna change anything to my approach here. Just gonna run my race and see how Chris is able to run his. Let's do this.
All right, boys, here we go. You know I ain't no good at turning right. Hopefully we can be better at turning left. So this time we gotta lean the bike over on the side, try to get this clutch wet in this thing, because when it's dry, it literally is giving me fits. Not even close to being a smooth launch. That 911 will destroy me if I launch like that in competition.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
See you, Chris. Oh, here he comes, here he comes. Oh my God. Come on, Porsche, let's do it. Hell yeah. Oh, I can see him coming up already. Well, Chris, that looked like a damn good race, but you know, I think when it comes to stopping, this thing just has the tire, it has the power, and it's just easy to drive. I think the physicality of it is, I don't know, like this thing just makes it so easy.
So that time, the thing wheelied a little bit on me. I didn't get a good clean launch. And I was like, man, I was starting to chase you down, and as soon as I was about to pass you, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go with a different approach. I'm gonna try to get on the brake a little smoother. And I actually was behind you going in the turn where before I've been in front of you, and I tried to make a cleaner turn, which I was not able to do the first round. Still didn't pan out, dude. That thing is freaking fast through the turns. It's insane. There's
really nothing delicate about this. I can brake so deep into the corner. I've got so much grip. It turns and then it fires out. Like there's nothing to manage. I am basically on full throttle by the time I'm turn the corner, and I know that you're definitely far from full throttle at that point.
Yeah, I can't lock the throttle until like half track coming back. It's insane. And on the way down, I really never get the throttle locked, and as soon as I get the throttle or the front tire set down, I have to go to the brake immediately. I don't know, dude. That thing is just, for this U-Drag setup, that might be one of the best cars you can get.
I agree. Like I said, there's not a lot. Like you just described 100 things that you're doing, and I feel like I'm doing like 2 things. I'm either braking or pressing the throttle, and it's cut and dry. I don't know what else to say. This is an amazing piece of engineering as that is, but this is also over $200,000, so it better be.
Man, let's park these things. I'm tired.
For anyone interested in the track conditions, here you go. And here's the best numbers. 0 to 60 goes to the 911 at 2.5 seconds. In the quarter mile, the Ninja takes it at 9.8 seconds at 124.8 miles an hour, even though Chris was applying brakes before it crossed. Max cornering goes to the Porsche, pulling 1.24 Gs. And the best time goes to the 911 Turbo with a time of 30.8 seconds at 146.9 miles an hour. To check out the official leaderboard, head on over to edmunds.com/udrags. The Ninja didn't beat its previous best time, so it stays put. And the 911 Turbo comes in at second place under the McLaren with its time of 30.8 seconds.
Holy cow. I have to say that was probably one of the most exciting races I've had to date. Hats off to you for wrangling this beast. I know it wasn't easy, but it was certainly exciting to watch. I thought the Porsche had a good chance, but this was sort of an unknown. Did it pan out the way that you thought?
I knew that the bike was going to be a handful to ride. When they said we had an H2R, I'm like, oh man, extra power is not always what you want in a situation like this. I literally wheelie, set it down, go to the brakes.
Yeah.
And I could literally see you just like over there cruising. And man, that thing is an incredible car and you did a great job driving it.
Well, it makes it easy. Like I said, there's no real physicality to it. It's got a ton of power, it's got a ton of brakes, it's got a ton of cornering grip, and you don't really have to be delicate. Whereas I know this, you're not delicate and it's gonna put you on your butt.
Dude, I'm more completely out right now.
That's it for this U-Drags. Hope you had as much fun as we did. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like that. Leave a comment if you want to see us race a boat or plane or more motorcycles. And for more Edmunds U-Drag content, be sure to visit edmunds.com/udrags. Thank you. See you next time.